Have you ever wondered how the art of war has transformed with the advent of technology? From the dawn of civilization, conflicts and struggles for power have played a crucial role in shaping our world. Central to these conflicts has been the constant evolution of military technology. Let's take a brief journey back in time. In the earliest days of warfare, conflicts were largely decided by brute strength and sheer numbers. Soldiers wielded simple weapons like spears and bows, crafted from materials readily available in their environments. As societies evolved, so too did their tools of war. The Bronze Age and Iron Age saw the introduction of stronger, more effective weapons such as swords, shields, and catapults. These advancements significantly altered the dynamics of battle, but they were nothing compared to what was to come. Enter the era of gunpowder. Invented by the Chinese and later adopted by Europeans, gunpowder revolutionized warfare, introducing a new level of destruction. The cannon and musket became the new symbols of military might, making traditional melee weapons largely obsolete. Fast forward to the 20th century, technology took a quantum leap and warfare was never the same again. World War I introduced deadly innovations like machine guns, tanks, and chemical weapons. World War II saw the birth of radar, jet engines, and the most destructive weapon of all, the atomic bomb. In the blink of an eye, we've landed in the 21st century, where technology's influence on warfare is more evident than ever. Today, we're in the age of drones, cyber warfare, and artificial intelligence. The battlefield is no longer just a physical space. It has expanded into the realms of air, space, and even cyberspace. As we delve deeper, let's take a closer look at some of the most groundbreaking military technologies of the modern era. From drones that can silently observe enemy movements from miles away, to frequency jammers that can disable them without firing a single bullet, we're about to explore the fascinating world of modern military tech. In recent years, drones have emerged as a significant player on the battlefield. But with new threats come new defenses. As we delve into the age of drones, it's clear that these unmanned flying machines have revolutionized warfare, providing unprecedented surveillance capabilities, precision strikes, and even delivering supplies to remote areas. Yet, they also pose significant security risks, which have necessitated the development of countermeasures. Enter the DroneGun Tactical, a brainchild of Drone Shield. This 16-pound weapon may look like a hefty piece of artillery, but it's not loaded with bullets. Instead, it's armed with 14.4-volt lithium batteries. This is a gun that fights not with firepower but with radio waves. Used by military units worldwide, the DroneGun Tactical is a counter-drone weapon designed to neutralize drone threats. Unlike traditional methods of warfare, the drone gun doesn't destroy its targets. Rather, it disrupts them. By jamming the radio frequency links between drones and their operators, it can effectively disable drones from over 1.5 miles away. All it takes is a line of sight and a squeeze of the trigger. The disrupted drone is then forced to land or return to its starting point. A far cry from the destructive explosions we're accustomed to seeing in war movies. This method of non-destructive neutralization ensures that high-profile events and individuals are protected from potential drone attacks without causing unnecessary collateral damage. The DroneGun Tactical has already proven its mettle in real-world scenarios. During the South Asia Games in 2019, it took down 7 commercial drones, 4 of which were suspiciously lining the flight path of the Philippines president's helicopter. Thanks to the drone gun, the potential threat was neutralized safely and efficiently. So the DroneGun Tactical has become an essential tool in the modern battlefield, protecting high-profile events and individuals from drone attacks. As we move further into the age of drones, we can expect to see more such ingenious solutions to the challenges posed by these cutting-edge machines. While frequency jammers have proven effective against drones, some defense solutions take a more hands-on approach. Enter the Skywall 100, a product of British ingenuity from a company called OpenWorks. Picture this. A shoulder-mounted compressed gas gun that looks like it's straight out of a science fiction movie. But this isn't a prop. It's a real-life drone capturing device that's as cool as it sounds. The Skywall 100 operates differently from the usual frequency jammers. Instead of disrupting signals, it launches a projectile. But this isn't just any projectile, it carries a net designed specifically to ensnare drones, rendering their blades useless. It's a bit like fishing, if you will, but in the sky, and instead of fish, you're catching drones. Once the drone is captured in the net, the Skywall 100 ensures that it doesn't plummet to the ground, which could cause collateral damage, especially in crowded areas. A tiny parachute attached to the net deploys, safely guiding the captured drone to the ground. So not only does the Skywall 100 catch the drone, but it also ensures a safe and controlled descent. One of the most impressive features of the Skywall 100 is its ability to rapidly reload. It's not a one-shot wonder. This means that a single operator can take down multiple drones if necessary. Imagine standing your ground, taking down one drone after another like a modern-day David against a swarm of Goliaths. But there's more to it. The Skywall 100 does not just disable the drones. By capturing them intact, it provides an opportunity for forensic investigation. It's like capturing an enemy spy alive and well, ready for interrogation. This can give invaluable insights into the technology, the operator, and the intentions behind the drone. The Skywall 100 provides a different approach to drone defense, capturing instead of jamming and offering the opportunity for forensic investigation. So the next time you think of drone defense, remember it's not just about jamming signals. Sometimes it's about catching your enemy in the act. As technology continues to advance at an unprecedented rate, what could the future of military technology look like? It's a question that both excites and unnerves us. The possibilities seem endless, but so too are the potential risks. One area where we're seeing significant strides is in AI-driven warfare. Artificial intelligence has the potential to revolutionize battle strategies, offering a level of precision, speed, and efficiency that humans simply can't match. Imagine autonomous drones capable of identifying and neutralizing targets with pinpoint accuracy, or AI algorithms that can predict enemy movements and strategize accordingly. The potential is staggering, but AI isn't the only game-changer on the horizon. Autonomous vehicles, both on land and in the sea, are poised to play a significant role in future conflicts. These unmanned machines could undertake dangerous missions, reducing the risk to human soldiers. They could scout enemy territories, defuse bombs, or even engage in combat, all while being remotely controlled from a safe distance. And then, there's hypersonic weaponry. These are missiles that travel at speeds greater than 5 times the speed of sound, making them nearly impossible to intercept. The implications are profound, altering the dynamics of warfare and potentially sparking a new arms race. Yet, with these advancements comes significant ethical implications and potential risks. The prospect of AI-driven warfare, for instance, raises questions about accountability and control. Who is responsible if an autonomous drone malfunctions and causes unintended harm? Similarly, the advent of hypersonic weapons could escalate conflicts and increase the risk of devastating wars. As we continue to push the boundaries of technology, we must always keep in mind the potential consequences and strive for a world where such destructive power is no longer necessary. It's a delicate balance, but one we must strive to maintain. The future of military technology is indeed exciting, but it's also a future that needs to be approached with caution and responsibility.